Today we will trade, make money, and analyze some trades. Let's connect two indicators. These are Williams R and parabolic SAR, two indicators that we will rely on. There is a signal here. Let's place a $100 trade upwards for 1 minute. A reversal is happening. The parabolic SAR has started to form. There is also movement towards the upper boundary of Williams. So it is somewhere in the lower, in the middle, and accordingly, there is still a flat and it has gone up. I think we will confidently take this trade. Plus, for those who don't know, I'm ramping up this deposit from $100. Check out the previous videos on this YouTube channel. They feature excellent, simply stunning trades. The indicators are quite simple, but very effective. There are 10 seconds left, and our trade is confidently entering. You can see it yourself. For 1 minute, we perfectly take our profit to the deposit. Here, we can wait for points above, and enter a downward trade based on the parabolic SAR. We also have the Ilius indicator showing overbought conditions because there was upward movement. Again, we are trading on the rebound because today is a weekend. You can analyze with these indicators, throw in some tasks, and also work out your signals here. So let's find a more interesting pair now. There is downward movement here for 1 minute, and the first has formed for a downward trade. The parabolic SAR indicates that the price still has room to move, roughly speaking, at this level. However, there is also a small trade setup. A rebound could happen from here, allowing us to take a follow-up trade downwards, or the price might drop down for an hour. We should have entered a bit earlier, but the parabolic SAR is still forming a point for a downward move as the price goes down. This happens. We have volatile assets, and we need to understand that impulses can occur, leading to prolonged movement in one direction. Accordingly, in the last second, let us take it please, and plus $92 net to the deposit. Next, let's look for another trade. Let's go for 1 minute upwards as the parabolic SAR has appeared. The only thing is that Williams is entering overbought territory. There is a downward trend here, of course. What concerns me is that the price is dropping sharply. It would probably be more logical to wait here, but we also have a fading trend here. Most likely there may be a small reversal now. The price will come here and start breaking through this resistance zone. And it will go up. That's what I think. I'm preparing a martingale. We'll hit the martingale here. Also for 1 minute up, we have 3 confirming points from the parabolic SAR. Nothing good is happening so far. I hope we get closed here at the last second. That would be just great. There are 10 seconds left. Yes, it seems we are heading towards a reversal, breaking through this upper boundary, and the price may go a bit higher. Again, we are taking a clean 90 turos. We set the initial amount. Let's see what happens next. So, we are entering on the breakout of this level. We're jumping in. It should have been earlier, but we also entered well here. There was a strong downward movement. That is, such powerful candles. Because of this, Williams indicates that every pullback, that is, more or less the middle here, has worked out about 50% of this downward trend, the decline. Accordingly, Williams is already showing overbought conditions. Yes, here we are pulling back, and we are taking a martingale up here. And let's prepare 450, but without martingales, there's no way. I think even from this point here, if it drops now, we can take another martingale lower, because there will be a good rebound. Let's take it right here. I wanted a bit lower, but it's fine. And let's prepare 1000. It was already covered. So what do we have? This is our first martingale. Second, this is the third. Well, we can still confidently enter at 2200. Let's take 1000 here. So that's it. And let's not do 200. Let's load 500 here. I'll load it. It's excellent for us. I didn't load it just like that, because there is simply a fantastic support level here. Of course, it can break through. This is OTC. For 1 minute we are here. We will confidently take this deal. If we had taken this one, it would have been simply great. That's it. It's loaded. Come on, go for it. The gun is loaded. Shoot. Here you can see the drop. What a sharp pullback from this level. And there are many pullbacks from this level. Also, there is a great pullback here. Plus 3,840 to the deposit. And plus another 500 is reaching us. Let's make another trade. Here, there is a downward breakout. Let's enter here. There is a breakout. After all, there was a pullback. I provide such trades in my closed Telegram channel, where we trade with guys and traders, and they also receive educational videos. Message me via the link in the description on Telegram. I want to join the team, and I will add you, and you will practice with the girls on the trades where I set the price myself. It has dropped well down, by the way. The official link to Pocket is in the description below this video. Feel free to register through it. They have a contest going on. Deposit from $50 and you automatically become a participant in a total of $1 million in prizes. And accordingly, you can win something. Why not? Plus, $92 to the deposit. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit the bell, leave your comments.